everybody. Today I have a really fun game. It is called Don't Read the Word. You have to see the color on it. It will be level 1 to level 3. If I'll do one mistake, Mama will say 1 out, 2. If I do 2 outs, Mama will say 2 out.
Okay.
If I'll do 3 out, Mama will say 3 out.
Very good. So, hi Saachi, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here is a level 1. Okay, just remember, you have to read the color, not the word.
Level 1, 10 words. This is not a black, this is a blue. This is not a white, this is a brown. Remember, we have to say the color of each word. Don't read the word.
Next.
Pink. It's not a yellow. It's not a green. It's purple. It's not a blue. It's a red. This is not a red. This is a black. This is not a white. This is a orange. This is not a orange. This is a green. Light green. This is not a blue. This is not a brown. This is a light blue.
Very good. 10 on 10. Let's go to level 2. Are you ready?
Yeah. Level 2, 20 words. This is not a black. This is a blue. Now, dark green, lemon, purple, red, brown, dark green, black, purple, light green, orange, brown, lemon, dark green, pink, red, black, orange, light blue, brown.
Very good.
God, there are so many yellows, but they are not yellow. They are purple, dark green, pink, red, black, orange,
Very good,
and
Saachi.
light blue and brown.
20 on 20. Now let's turn the page and go to level 3. It's going to be tricky.
Now I'm really expert. Now level 3, 50 words. Purple, dark green, purple, red, brown, light blue, red, purple, orange, black. Oh no, I did
One out. Okay.
Purple. Oh, 1 out again.
2 out.
2 out. Light blue. Purple, red, light blue. Light blue.
Okay. 3 out.
Black, purple, light blue, red, black, brown, black, light blue, red, orange. 4
4
out.
out.
Red, purple,
Keep going.
black, light blue, purple, dark green, light blue, red, lemon, orange, red, purple, brown.
5 out.
I did 6 out.
Okay, 6 out.
Brown, purple, light green, purple, purple, 8 out.
Okay.
And light green.
Very good. Good score. So you enjoy the game?
Yeah. So, hi, I'm back. So this is all about this word game. You can play it with your friends or family. You can play it at home. Interesting game. You can play with a clock, a toy clock,
Stopwatch,
stopwatch,
sand clock.
sun clock, and a real clock.
Mm-hmm.
To know how much fast you can do it. How fast you can do it. As level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, up to 100 level. up to 20 level, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Up to 20. 1 to 20. All about it. This game, you can play with it, your friends, family, and your little sister, or little brother or sister, or younger brother or younger sister. Bye bye.